This is the first socket on one of the walls, or one of the walls you actually touch, and we will make a oak reveal, like a little ledge, and which will cover the cut lines, and will stick out only a bit, but that's probably the most neat way to have the socket on the wall. This will be black, but this is a nice sample how this will look, and it's actually quite nice. So that's one of the edges, and here another one of the edges, front side of that. So right here on the top floor, all the trim is done, all the little blocking on the edges is okay. We got the light switches installed and the doors cladded on one side, the other side will be done another time. But this fine and nice paneling is done.